Hello traders. The S&P down 0.54%, the Nasdaq down 0.55%, and the Dow down 0.75%, banks down 0.24%, Qs down 0.7%, and Apple down 2.31%, pushing Nasdaq and S&P down. So that was pretty significant. And Apple closed below 500 here today. That's a big one. All right. Yeah, but anyways, Carolina Lezon here with Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. Welcome back, everybody, on Wednesday, February 15th of 2012, and let's take a look at our Qs chart here, and let's analyze it here a little bit so that we know what's going on. So check this out. Wow, what a big day. We are making a new high here on the Qs today, 63.86. We busted through that high of yesterday, which was at the 63.22. We open higher here, and then we pull back down big time, making our first lower low. Okay, but as you can see, we are finding a nice area of support where 8 moving average here again. Okay, this is here in green, so that's the green line that you see here as the 8 moving average, and it is currently at about, let me check here, at about 62.57. So that's where we're finding really nice support at. So what we need to pay close attention to tomorrow is the 8 moving average, okay, because it's a significant area of support. If we ever go below it, and if we ever close the day lower, then we could be in trouble. And then we could head down to that next area of support right here, the 62.12 about. And then the next one down would be down here, 61.41. And the next one down here, 60.80. And a big gap right here, which is at the 59.86. So, and all other areas here of support on our way down if we ever go lower. So that's what happened here. And again, pay close attention to the high as well of 63.86. All right, so that's what you need to pay close attention to tomorrow. And check this out. Look at the MACD. The MACD is pointing sharply south, okay? So it is getting closer and closer to the 0 line. We still have quite a distance in here, but we're getting there, okay? So we are pointing south at this moment, and we are trading on a really significant volume here today. That is a significant spike in here, way above the average and way above all other volume bars that we've had here so far. Okay, that's significant. So does that mean that we're putting on a top? Could be, but what you need to do is keep your eye on those areas of support and resistance that I showed you here, and also pay close attention to the MACD to look for confirmation. That's a significant one, okay? All right, yeah, so that's all that I have for you for today. Safe trading to all of you out there tomorrow, and I'll talk to you again then.